baby, do you?
So today's video, as y'all can tell from the title, is a wig review from Divaswigs. They sent me this curly hair, y'all. It looks like my natural hair. I don't know the price of it right now, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, so I'm gonna post the price on the screen, and if I have a discount code I will post that as well on the screen, just to let y'all know I don't get a penny if y'all use my discount code or not. It's not commission based, it's not an affiliate, none of that. If you guys use my code, then that allows hair companies to know that you guys fuck with me, or that you guys are actually, you know, interested in wigs, and that's that on it, period. But today this wig was sent to me from Divaswigs. I will insert the unboxing and all the extra jazz. I just wanted to come and film an intro because I don't really talk on these kind of videos. I just play my copyrighted dance hall, soca, afro beats, whatever kind of music it is. And from now, a lot of you guys have been asking me what music is it that I'm playing, so I will start leaving the song name on the video as it's playing. So just pay attention to that so you guys don't have to continue to ask what song is that. It will be on the screen. The price of this wig will be on the screen. The details of this wig, everything will be on the screen. Divaswigs social media will also be on the screen. Don't forget, you guys, to leave a comment. Y'all already know the deal. Like, we chasing the bag all 2021. But no, for real though, I love you guys. Thank you guys for always watching my wig videos. I know sometimes they be looking kind of crazy, and sometimes they do look nice, but then sometimes they be looking kind of crazy. So I don't know. So you guys, just let y'all know, like another disclaimer, I'm not a hair professional. I don't install wigs. I don't do none of that, okay? I just put the wig on and I try my best, okay? My best may not be perfect, but you know what I'm saying, these videos are mainly for the females that, you know what I'm saying, that's struggling with wigs too. We're gonna struggle together, we're gonna learn together, and we're gonna grow together. So I just wanted to come and put these disclaimers out there. I do personally love this wig because it looks very natural. It looks like my real hair. It's crazy, but yeah. So this is the new T-part lace. I'm gonna explain everything in the video, but I love you guys, and I will see y'all in my next. So when you order a wig from Divaswigs, you receive a brush. You receive your information pamphlet. It has instructions on how to take care of your wig, the details of your wigs, and you also receive some wig caps. This is how the hair came straight out of the packaging. I didn't do nothing to it. I didn't brush it out. I didn't do nothing. It's these nice curls, y'all. Like, y'all could tell. Like, I ain't even got to tell you. Y'all could see it for yourself. Now, this is the T part, you guys. Some people don't like the T part because this, you can't do no side part with this. You have to do a middle part, and I'm a middle part girl, y'all know this. But this is how the wig comes. It's absolutely beautiful. Like, it looks like my natural hair. Y'all gonna see, y'all. So when it comes to bleaching the knots, right, this is my little secret to how I get wigs to look realistic. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, that's my little secret, and I'm putting y'all on. It's kind of a trial and error kind of thing. All right, let me show y'all first. Actually, y'all see these black dots? You bleach the knots so you can kind of get them to be brown, or get at least it to look way more natural than what it is. So I'm using 30 Developer and BW2 bleaching powder. And then you need the bowl and the mixer. And I ordered it from Amazon, y'all. So literally, y'all, you just mix it. I usually put the liquid first, then the powder, then I mix it. And you kind of have to guesstimate the consistency. You don't want it too runny. I'm going to show y'all what it looks like runny. This is not how you want it, because the first time I bleached knots, y'all, this is the consistency I used, y'all, and that shit literally bleached. I had like blonde ends on my, blonde roots on my wig, and this is how you want it to look. Just like that, thick, not runny, y'all. Please don't mess up your wig and then say I made you do it. But literally, this is what I do. I just put it on the lace. I do it gently. This may not look gentle. Ooh, nip slip. This may not look gentle, but it is actually really gentle. Then I know I put 10 minutes on the screen, y'all, but I left that shit on for like 5 minutes, because once I started seeing the hair go brown, I was like, nah, I'm too scared, because I messed up the first wig that I did. But yeah, so next you just wash it off, y'all. I use any conditioner. I don't use, I lied. I use any shampoo, and then I go in with conditioner. So it doesn't really matter what shampoo you use, y'all. You're just trying to get the bleach out the lace.
Baby, do you? Me see, I just want to know, love you, do you ever think
And you guys have seen me do this ball cap method so many times, so I'm not gonna talk through this, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all enjoy my today's mixtape, okay?
Come jump on my audio. Come jump on my audio. And it's very
You're rocking with the best.
My baby, yo, do you remember the other day I spent with you? Yeah, it should be between just me and you. See what we do for this over. I want us to do it all over, yeah. Girl, make I be your Superman. Make I be your Superman. I go fight for your love, oh baby, yo. I go fight for your love, oh baby, yo. Make I be your...
Now, if you guys can see how the wig looks now, it looks kind of way more natural. So when you do put it on your ball cap, it's gonna look way better than compared to the stiff black Johnny Bravo hairline. I mean, you're still gonna have the Johnny Bravo hairline in a sense. You just gotta pluck it, and it's just so much that goes into wigs, y'all. Like, but I really tried my best today with this wig. So y'all comment down below, let me know what y'all think. Like, you see how it look? It look way more like, this look like it's grown out of my head in a sense. And I did pluck the wig a little bit, but because it's a T part, you can't pluck too much because you ain't got that much to pluck. You really ain't got that much to pluck.
One of the figures that we don't go do. If you not with you, I'm in the skin pain. What's the problem? I say now who be you? Nyako pana dumti with them maintain. Stand up with yourself, mommy pressure. Just a canon corner coming I'm from. Now so Jehovah name me protector. Yeah me baba yeah no so for shen come. Now she run a young tongue. Oh win day. Yeah we person go criminal me to spin test. Charlie we be critical thinkers. Yeah we yeah can be go to Canada can be singlet. But time for no one me to hold last year. But I feel the one who I me a queen law.
If your boyfriend no they do you well, make you come my way. If your boyfriend no they give you well, make you come my way. Domini Bemma, 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 come my way. Domini Bemma, Bemma, Bemma.
Friend you, oh tonight I go link up, darling you. Oh, if your man's up, so back with me yo. Friend you, me no man, that let me go alone. Forget it for a seat, come me got a bar, and I'm here, and the girls see you. Come my way, it's a boy for you. Chemistry day, don't deny you. Come my way, better plans for you. My way, yeah, my way, yeah. No, take my number, call me you. In come here, in come here, in come here.
Domini Bemma, Bemma, Bemma. Domini Bemma, Bemma, Bemma. If your boyfriend no dey to you well, make you come my way. If your boyfriend no dey give you well, make you come my way. Domini Bemba, Bemba, Bemba. Domini Bemba, Bemba, Bemba.
Party and bullshit, say party and bullshit.
Are you dumb?
Say party and bullshit, party and bullshit. Say party
like a big ship.
party.
And now I dream in the middle of Mexico. Your papa was here for chilling my feeling. Mama didn't very sick, go be bottom. Say when they would offer my money feeling. Did you want bombing up in the yum? Now me think I'm an ass and I'm a baby save. Sikane boom is until me the sum. Send my brother on the Honya Jam, can't better one between me and me lover, more than a stalker. Sing a sick mama, Miss Moga, no one a cover. The cook must have a fat chopper, the pen proper. The say our mama than the brother, until I walk, the papa who the brother. As I put from Yaba, so my friend the Chucky dough. The man the penalty, I know more friend daddy yo. Force line, you be in the high and the low. The Baba said, DJ, why you ready? Let me go.
DJ played a song, my lady likes, so we can dance all night. I said tonight, yeah. And DJ played a song, my lady likes, so we can dance all night. I'm talking about party and bullshit, party and bullshit. Say party and bullshit, party and bullshit. Say party and bullshit, party and bullshit. Say party and bullshit. Yeah, party and bullshit. I said party, be the best thing in this eternity.
Like a big ship.
The world's best lyrical entertainer. Shout to Wally.
Oh, yeah, much at the Biole. Get down, no banana. Bakatasa, see one is cement. Obey dash and Nama. Nama, see canapel. Now, what fire Joe? She ready to go, but are you ready to pay? I say a bad DJ Black, any DJ by Rasky. You do have me time with DJ Roman, DJ Sympathy. Hey, boy, I'm much at the Make she go marry doctor, still she